If you're looking to move photos from the Files app to the Photos app on your iPhone, I've got you covered. This process is straightforward, allowing you to easily transfer your images into the Photos app for better organization and access. Here's how to do it. Moving photos from Files to Photos. Open the Files app on your iPhone, navigate to the folder with the photos, browse through your folders and find the photos you want to move. Select the photos. Tap Select in the top right corner. Tap on the photos you want to move. You can select multiple photos by tapping each one. After selecting the photos, tap the share icon. Scroll down and tap Save Image. This will save the selected photos directly to the Photos app. Check your Photos app. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Your photos should now be available in the Recants album. By following these steps, you can easily transfer your photos from the Files app to the Photos app on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.